Welcome to the channel. If you're serious about keeping your lawn neat, healthy, and well manicured, a gas lawn mower can offer the power and performance you need. In today's video, we're covering the top 5 best gas lawn mowers, carefully chosen for their cutting ability, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you have a small yard or a large lawn to maintain, there's something here for every type of homeowner. Check the description below for up-to-date pricing and in-depth product details. And if you find this content helpful, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a future review. Let's rev it up, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. PowerSmart Gas Lawn Mower. The PowerSmart 21-inch gas-powered lawn mower is designed for high efficiency and versatility. Powered by a robust 144 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine with an auto choke, it ensures reliable starts and strong performance. This mower features a 3-in-1 design that allows bagging, side discharge, and mulching, giving you multiple options for grass clippings management. The durable 21-inch steel cutting deck and heavy-duty blade deliver a precise and effective cut, helping you mow more area in less time. You can easily adjust the cutting height using the dual lever system, with 6 positions ranging from 1.5 to 3.9 inches to suit your lawn care preferences. Additionally, the mower has a foldable handle design, which saves up to 70% of storage space, making it convenient to store and transport. This mower is a reliable choice for maintaining a well-groomed yard. Number 4. SENIX Gas Push Lawn Mower. The SENIX 21-inch gas push mower is a powerful and efficient tool for maintaining small to medium-sized yards. It features a durable steel deck with a 21-inch cutting width, allowing you to cover a large area quickly. The fold-down handle design makes storage easy and space-saving. Powered by a Briggs & Stratton 125 cubic centimeters 4-cycle E450 engine with prime N-pull start, this mower delivers reliable power while being eco-friendly, emitting low noise and reducing fuel consumption. Its 2-in-1 steel deck offers versatile cutting options, allowing you to mulch or side discharge grass clippings. The ergonomic handle ensures user comfort during mowing. With a 6-position dual-lever height adjustment, you can set cutting heights from 1.25 to 3.75 inches to suit your lawn's needs. Large 11-inch rear wheels and 8-inch front wheels enhance maneuverability. The mower includes engine oil and comes with a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. BILT HARD 21-inch Gas Lawn Mower. The BILT HARD gas-powered lawn mower is built for reliable, efficient lawn care. It features a powerful 201 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine delivering 9.0 ft/lb of torque, providing strong performance for a variety of mowing tasks. The 21-inch steel deck offers a versatile 3-in-1 mowing system with mulching, side discharge, and rear bagging options, allowing you to tailor your lawn maintenance. Its single-lever, 4-wheel synchronized height adjustment ranges from 1.2 to 3.75 inches, so you can easily customize the cutting height to suit your lawn's needs. For smooth operation, it has 9.5-inch rear and 8-inch front double ball-bearing wheels, plus a foam-wrapped angled handle grip to reduce hand fatigue during use. The mower is easy to start with its no-choke, no-primer single-pull system. BILT HARD stands behind this mower with responsive customer support and warranty assistance, ensuring a confident purchase. Number 2. PowerSmart 21-inch Gas Lawn Mower. The PowerSmart gas-powered lawn mower features a reliable 144 cubic centimeters 4-cycle OHV engine with recoil starter and auto choke for easy starting. Its durable all-steel 3-in-1 deck allows mulching, bagging, and side discharge, offering versatile mowing options to suit your lawn care needs. The 21-inch heavy-duty cutting blade delivers efficient, precise cuts, helping you mow more in less time. With a dual-lever height adjustment system offering 6 cutting positions, you can customize your lawn's length between 1.5 and 3.9 inches easily. Designed for convenience, the mower has a foldable handle that saves up to 70% storage space, making it ideal for compact storage and easy transport. Combining powerful performance with practical features, the PowerSmart mower is a great choice for maintaining a neat, healthy lawn with minimal effort. Number 1. YardMax 22-inch Gas Lawn Mower. The YardMax 22 inches self-propelled lawn mower is a powerhouse for any lawn. Its 201 cubic centimeters gasoline engine and industry-leading CVT let you adjust speed effortlessly to match your pace, tackling flat, sloped, or uneven terrain with ease. The aggressive spike tread rubber tires and double ball bearing wheels ensure superior traction and smooth rolling. With 7 cutting heights, 1.38 to 3.55 inches, and a single lever adjustment, it's user-friendly and versatile. The MaxFlow deck enhances airflow for excellent mulching, and the deck clean-out port simplifies maintenance. At 84.2 pounds, this durable alloy steel mower delivers a precise cut, making lawn care efficient and enjoyable. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.